Now, just to give an update to our communities in Ward 5, in Kopanong, in Tembisa, that's indeed, as you can see, the other truck has now arrived. We want to assure our communities that we are aware that it's a weekend. The funerals, people are sitting at home, or they are at home rather, and they are utilizing water. But we are saying, please use water for drinking purposes, for hygiene, toilet purposes, and to wash yourself. Don't wash your cars, because we need the system to fill up. It does not fill up the system. The maintenance has been done, the pipe has been closed, but we need the water to feed up the high-lying areas. So if it's not in particular to our communities, Abagenzansi, go Winnie Mandela, go Clayville, Uguza Ganjalo, go Maukeng, Sankela, because we are on the lower side of Tembisa. Also, the fact that you've got water, use that water sparingly until the system is stabilized. Councillor Khafen?
No, thank you, man. Let me take this opportunity to create a second water tanker to come and assist communities. Community Arona are very simply ka tsela e nepagetseng re etseng sure gore metsi a rona ra tlhokomela ka nako tsotlhe. Gona yaanong re na le bothata ba metsi mo saeteng ya Kopanong, re tlisitse water tanker gore di tle di tlo servisa community ya rona ya mo Ward 5. Then from there we know gore di tla ya ditraka tse di tlo fill up ba ye go Tsarientsho ba thuse community ya moo. Thank you.